Welcome to today's video. I'm Dora from Grace Certified Accountants. It's lovely to be able to just get out and about and appreciate the weather, and it's now spring season, and as you can see, the skies are blue, the sun is shining, and this is one of the reasons why I set up my own business to work for myself, just so that I can work when I want. And it doesn't mean that I take a lot of time off. It just means that I am more in charge of my time. In today's video, I just wanted to talk about my recent experience when I went to have a talk at a school, a secondary school within here in Hempstead to sixth formers. It was a great experience talking to the students or learners that are now almost at the end of their secondary school journey and about to embark on a new chapter in their life. So I went in as a businesswoman to talk about entrepreneurship, to talk about my experience in the business world, and also to talk about why I started my business, Grace Certified Accountants. The reason I started my business, Grace Certified Accountants, was one, it gives me freedom to be there for my children. I have 4 children, and as a single parent, it gives me that freedom to be there for my children, take them to school, just be there for them when they need me, and I can still earn an income. And the other reason was that it is growing up in Zambia, my grandmother was a businesswoman herself. She had a bakery, which the whole family 100% participated in. And so growing up in that environment, it was something in me that, one day I should run my own business. And I'm lucky enough to be able to run something that I love, which is accounting. I am a chartered accountant, and to be able to run Grace Certified Accountants, something that I love to do, and be able to have the freedom to do, to be there for my children, it's just a good combination. And the third reason is that it gives me choice to work with who I want. So I remember working in practice, and it was difficult to actually give the amount of time that clients required, because we had targets to meet, and we had, we couldn't spend too much time and with any one particular client, especially if it was running at a loss. So with Grace Certified Accountants, I can balance, I can manage, I can choose who I want to work with, because it's all about connections. It's all about who you like, know, and trust. And I'm able to do that with my business. And this is the information or message that I gave across to the learners, the sixth formers. And yes, I am a chartered accountant. I am a fellow of the ACCA, a fellow of the Institute of Financial Accountants, and a fellow of the Institute of Public Accountants. At the end of the day, those are just qualifications. Those are just papers. What really matters the most is attitude. And this is another message that I put across to the learners, to say attitude is really important. Yes, the papers are going to open the doors for you, but the attitude is going to take you places. So things like commitment, things like respect, things like being reliable, dependability, all those are great attributes of a good worker, or a good person, or a good business manager, or even a business owner. In life, attitude will get you places, and the good attitude will get you places. So this is the message that I gave to the sixth formers, to say it is important to have a combination of good attitude and also the qualifications if you're going to go places in life. Yeah, the other thing that I shared with the sixth formers was the different types of a limited company or entities, business entities. So if you want to, you can decide whether you want to register as a self-employed, that is, you are the business itself, or you can register as a limited company, which is a different process where you register at company's house. Those are the different types. You can register as a partnership if there's more than one individual in the business or the partners in the business. So it all depends where you want to go. The other thing that I mentioned was the importance of keeping good records, because when you have a business, it is very, very important to keep good records so that you know how your company is going. With good records, then you'll be able to make informed decisions, and with good records you'll be able to know how the business is doing, and that will help you make better and informed decisions for the business. It is a bit windy and a little bit cold, but it's just lovely. It's a lovely spring day. The sun is shining and the skies are blue. Yeah, it is a little bit cool, but it comes with the weather. And the other thing is that the message that I mentioned to them was that, you know, we believe in them. They are the next leaders. They are the next generation. They are the next set of business owners and entrepreneurs. So we believe in them, and now it is up to them to believe in themselves, because the greatest sell you ever make is the sell to yourself. Sell to yourself, because if you don't believe in yourself, you don't believe in your product, it doesn't matter how good it is or how good you are if you do not believe in yourself, and that will actually show in everything that you do. So it's really, really important to believe in yourself, to believe in your capability. How do you build that? Build yourself. Go for learning, go for courses, build a strong sense of knowledge where you know that you know. And when you get to that place where you believe in yourself, then, you know, the sky is the limit. This is another message that I shared to the sixth formers. It was a great experience. It was a great experience just being out in the community, just like it is right now. Let me just pause and show you where I am. It's just a lovely And the other thing that I shared with the sixth formers was is that life is a journey. It's a learning journey. It never stops. Learning never stops. You never get to a point where, yes, I've learned everything that I need to know in life. Life is a learning journey. You continue learning and learning and learning. Learning never stops. So you just continue to develop yourself. Continue to read books. Continue to just develop your mind, develop your learning, and that is it. That is it. Just continue to develop yourself. And the other thing, finally, that I shared is that believe in yourself. You can. We believe in you, so believe in yourself. Yeah. So that's the talk that I shared at the school, and it went really well. And I'm hoping that the next generation, you know, they're going to they took something out of that, and something that they can work with or remember and implement as they go along in life. So this is Dora from Grace Certified Accountants. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel if you found this video useful. It was just a video taken out deliberately just to enjoy the weather and to appreciate the beauty of the day. Thank you so much, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.